We at Bullen Swinsky Jackson aim to use architecture to amplify quality of life. We find projects that have significant impacts to a broad community very fulfilling. We enjoy engaging community, and I think what separates us is that collaborative approach.
The buildings that we design have a tremendous impact on the environment, and it's part of our standard of care to design places and spaces that are healthy and safe for building occupants, but acknowledging that all the decisions that we make have impact on more than just the people using that building or interacting with that building, but have this ripple effect.
As a design firm, we have a variety of projects, and we have a variety of teams with these different studios across the country. A lot of times, the best team isn't all in one studio for a specific project, and technology helps us actually collaborate and put together the best teams possible, and Autodesk is a big part of that.
We at BCJ have used Autodesk for 15 years now, and it's a great tool, particularly in this project, the Green Hill School, because it was during the pandemic, so it was designed fully remotely.
The Green Hill campus is these low-slung brick buildings with these gorgeous live oak trees kind of throughout the campus, providing shade. ReCap Pro was used very early in the schematic design phase to understand the site conditions. One of the constraints on a prominent corner of our specific building was an existing 100-plus-year-old tree.
Because we're spread across the country, a lot of times some of our participants on the project don't even get to visit the site. So when we scan it in with the point cloud data and put it in ReCap Pro and put it in Revit, they can move around the site virtually and at least understand what it's like to be there, know all the dimensions, know what things look like. It's really replacing walking around with a clipboard and a tape measure. So you might only mark down like 20 dimensions for a space, but the point cloud has millions of points. When you make your design moves, you can be confident that it's not some little thing that's going to show up there and cause an issue.
We had our Revit model hosted on BIM Collaborate Pro, and our consulting engineers, structural and MEP, were uploading their models on a regular cadence so that we could really try to minimize the visual impact and structural impact of the MEP systems.
I don't think we could have done this project without BIM Collaborate Pro. All our engineers, designers, beyond the architect team can be in the same file, and later on, as we start documenting the project, Revit and ReCap Pro helps us gain a level of detail that we just didn't know was possible even a few years ago.